Good afternoon, everybody. How we doing today? Another lovely day here on the Outer Banks. Beach road was really congested, so I just pulled off. Today, we're gonna take the middle road in between the highway and the beach road on our way to get a bite to eat. And I can take the middle road all the way to our destination, skip the highway traffic, skip the beach road traffic. Hope everybody's having a great day so far. If you're new here, I like to show views of the Outer Banks. Both the highway and the beach road were very busy. We were actually in some sit-still traffic there on the beach road, and it is backed up all the way to Kitty Hawk. Only difference in this middle road here, in between the highways, is that there's a lot of stop signs. So you'll go a little slower, but on days like this where you would have been sitting, you can kind of just keep your wheels turning and still get to where you're going. So we're just gonna sit back and cruise this middle road, let you guys take in the scenery. Like I say, you gotta stop so that the traffic can pass through. We are currently pretty much in the middle of Kill Devil Hills, and you can take this road. It pretty much stops at the Kill Devil Hills McDonald's before you have to either get back on the highway or the beach road. But then as you get into Nag's Head, there's more of these middle roads. They just don't go all the way through the Outer Banks. Let these people go. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Like I said, it's Saturday and a ton of people just got into town. Everybody's kind of looking for where they need to be going. The beach accesses are slowly filling up, and we're actually headed back to FUJI Steakhouse once more. Except today, we're gonna do the show. We're gonna take you guys inside with us. I got the whole fam with me today. And here we are back on Martin Street again to take a right, and we'll be right there at the FUJI Steakhouse. And that was a lot easier than staying on the beach road because it really wasn't moving. And that's because there's a traffic light right there at Collington Road, Ocean Bay Boulevard. Of course, we're gonna take the back entrance here. We're gonna go get lunch and a show. Come join us.
I want sushi. Watashi wa stop.
Egg for you. Japanese egg roll. Easy chicken, handsome man. Open your mouth, daddy. You're the chicken today. Alright?
You know, I tried to do that at work. It didn't work well.
Gasolina. Gasolina. Like Bobby Bryan.
Oh, you can have some oil on.
Kalau gasolina again.
That's a weird. It's not that big.
Chicken noodle, right? Alright, so guys. You just want a vegetable, right? That's why your face looks smooth. Sister, right?
No.
That's a lot of rice. Yeah, taste. Japanese ketchup.
How many do you want?
Yummy. You guys live around here? Fayetteville here? Yeah, you? You been here before? Ooh la la.
Not here.
Not this restaurant?
No.
Where? What are you doing?
It's my birthday today.
Yo, I need to come in dinner, man. Happy birthday. Have you a long time. Laras for you, right? Not fried rice?
Oh, yeah.
Happy birthday, handsome man.
Appreciate it.
There you go. No. Okay, buddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What's 16 man? You're welcome. What's 16 man? Happy birthday, baby. man, that's for you. Girl, you got a steak here. You can see alive. You want a medium, right, sir? Oh, you guys eating long time for three more long. Very good, buddy. It's for you steak medium. Plate you got a sucky ball today. So, that's your birthday, right? Yeah, yeah.
Is that right?
So good. So good. So yummy. Always go right by your honey bunny.
That's why they only give it a little bit. That's why they only give it a little bit. It's really bad.
What's that?
See, you like that one. See, you like that one.
Like what?
See? Put over your face.
Chili chicken. You want chili over? Okay, Daddy. Thank you. You're welcome. This special for you. That's for you. Mama, Daddy.
Thank you.
Good, you want some? There you go. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, guys. I love you guys.
Thank you.
Food, right?
That's
So
awesome,
next time, happy birthday, handsome man. See you at home. Yeah, different house. 120.
You're almost there.
1 more hour.
Good way.
Yeah, right.
We kind of just skipped all the roads. I went from one place to the next. And you guys know what we like. Ashleys Espresso Parlor, that's what I'm sitting in front of right now. My lady went in to get the drinks. Alright everybody, if you've been following along with the channel, you know that's our normal right there. Go get something to eat. Go grab a coffee at Ashleys Espresso. They got their ice machine fixed, so we're able to get our drinks again. So we'll go back to being the preferred coffee shop. And now we're going to take a left onto the beach road. Destination home. And as you can see right there, they got the red flags out today. No swimming because of dangerous rip currents. Little tip about rip currents, although it's not advised to get in during the red flags. I've spoke about this one before. If you're stuck in one, try to swim parallel to the shore instead of trying to swim back to the shore. But make sure you relax and don't panic. If you panic, it will just make your situation worse. There has been a lot of deaths recently due to the rip currents. And today, it's really windy outside, and that's the cause of it. But other than the red flags, it's a beautiful day on the Outer Banks. The rain is gone after 2 weeks of non-stop rain and floods. The sun is back out and you can feel it. It's getting back hot again. And we are close time to August now, where it's going to start getting muggy outside. But today, we're kind of having a perfect day because the sun is out and the breeze is strong. Passing by John's Drive-In, if you're looking for some fast food, fried seafood, and they also do ice cream, milkshakes. Good job, Silverado, for letting the person cross. And as promised, while I'm here cruising on the beach road, taking the scenic view, I'm gonna state you a fact, a little fun fact about Kitty Hawk. How old is Kitty Hawk? Modern archaeologists estimate that Kitty Hawk was occupied for centuries before European explorers first discovered the region in the late 1500s. And while we're at it, I also wanted to thank everybody that has donated to the channel. It's been pretty crazy, and I once again just wanted to thank you for all of your support. It's gonna go either in the gas tank or be utilized for one of these little adventures that we go on. So thank you very much. We're getting close to the end of the Kitty Hawk Beach Road here before I end up in this madness right here at the Corolla traffic light. I'm gonna go ahead and make my left to get back on the highway here. This is Fonck Street, F-O-N-C-K. Take you straight through to the highway. Some of them do not. Some of them have dead ends. So, being that it's 3 p.m. right now, I'll be showing you the significant increase on the other side of the highway for people trying to enter the Outer Banks. And if I have to guess right, most likely the bridge will be kind of backed up. Find that out when we get around this corner here. See how much traffic is coming in here at the end of July. And here we are getting stopped once again at the Corolla Duck traffic light. They have a Kitty Hawk officer there trying to maintain the flow. And as you can see, lots of people headed that way. A lot of people in from New Jersey this week. A lot of Pennsylvania as well. And that's typical. Normally Jersey, Pennsylvania, Virginia, very common tags to see out here. And also Maryland. It makes sense since those are all states right here on the East Coast. The other side of the highway is way busier than the side that I'm on, headed back to the bridge. And just as expected, it looks like there's a little hold up here. Everybody's trying to come in at the same time. Check-in time is at an hour from now. And the tourists are here for the week. And if I had any kind of suggestion, get out here before lunchtime, go find some things to do before it's time for you to check in to your rental property. Probably save you a little bit of headache when you first get into town. I would also advise skipping the Walmart, as it turns into a Black Friday kind of situation because it's the first big department store when you come off the bridge. All right, everybody, we covered the things we had to do today. We're gonna go home. We'll start the packing process, get ready for our move. Hope everybody has a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you on the next one.